Right, so I'm going to install this myself. I've unpacked it, back in, and tools. And I've got the instructions out. I'll check all the bits. There's a list there, look, of the bits showing you pictures. So one assumes that that's everything there. There's that, which is that top thing. Those two brackets, and two flat bits, which must be them two. Then it shows two screws, those two long bits. No, I don't know what they are then. 4 large screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some caps, which are those. And two heavy screws like those. That's them two then. So where's them two then, if that's those two? Ah, 1 minute. No, they're 2 ordinary screws. That's them two. So it looks to me like we've got everything but for whatever E is. Ah, maybe that's what was in the other packet, I don't know. So the first thing to do is to fit A, which is this bit here. Now I've already got this piece here, which was the steam protector. So, there we go. Instructions, there, job done. From the machine I've just taken out, this new one, I want to get it onto the edge of the plastic, so I think I'm going to leave that in. So I'm going to offer it up, see what the overlap is, and then put a fold roughly where I think it should be. There we go. So that's ready to go there, and then the other fold at the other end. So that's it. Right, then pull a bit away to get it started, and then I want that on it. Give it right, like so. So it's right on the edge of the plastic, so we're getting protection only just there. Let's bring it across a little bit more. Make sure we're onto the plastic. That's it, and push it in. There we go. That's it, and then that's made a good seal against the edge. There we go. Well, we've made a start. Right, next is number 2, is the pipes. So we'll undo the ties that are keeping the pipes all in the back. Right, and we've got to connect up the water pipe, which is this one. My waste is off to the left of the machine, so you've got a straight one of these, a straight one, and you've got an angled one. So I think the angled one, just check that the washers are in there, and in she goes. Now then, they only want to be done up finger tight, and then all of this lot has got to be fed through to where it's going to go. So that's number 2. Right, and it looks like we can now feed in. We're up to number 3, but we're only just pushing it in far enough to make the connections. There we are, all through the hole. Now they all got to be connected up to their respective bits. We've pulled the cables through. There's a bit of water come out of the water supply cable. I just have to mop it up. I'm not sure what that means. So one assumes that these go in there mostly because they fit exactly. So that looks about right. That looks right. And then that obviously folds like that. Then in theory that's ready to go in, but what we would need to do, I've got to stick these bits on there, and I'm not sure, and we've also got to get the height right. So that's got to go on there. And then I've got to get that. Oh, I've got to get that around there. Then the water on, which is this one, which goes. And the electric on, which is this one. But we're not going to plug that in yet. We don't want that on just yet. £12 mil. That should do it. £12 mil. Then that one. That one. And that one. Oh, that one in there. So that one in there. Which is that in there. Rightio. That's it. There we go. How's that then? Right, according to the instructions, we've got to stick these pads on Oh, 40mm from the outside, and go on, you just about read it. And 55 down from the hole. Right. So I've done a line at 40mm. Now I've got to come down 55 from the hole. 55, that's it. And I'll square that across. Square that across. So that then sticks on there like that. Which way up it goes. Oh, it shows it the longest way. So we take off one side of that and stick it on. So there, and then the other one's got to go on the other side. These are the holes that were from the old dishwasher, which is different to this one. Right, now it says remove the screws from 1, 3 and 5 on both sides of the dishwasher door and replace with accessories F. And accessories F are those, which is the last ones we've got here, which are these. Okay then. So we have to take these off. Ah no, let's try it first to make sure that it's going to work. That's it. And then now that goes in so, and then lift up. Looks okay to me. Looks. So what I need to do now then is to take them off, take the things off so that'll stick. These sticky bits, and then that holds it just whilst we're getting the screws in. But I haven't taken the screws out that they've said to take out yet. I'll do that in a minute. Oh, don't want a bit of tape, do we? There we go. Oh, how about that? Now I've got to take out those screws that it said to me to take out. 1, 3 and 5 is I think what I might do is the bottom one first, number 5, which has got to be that one there. There we go. Now don't put it in there because you'll close the door and that'll be inside. That should be able to go in there and go through into the door. There we go. You see I'm feeling under there just in case that for any reason it goes through the door. What I should have done is just checked. No, that wasn't too long. And that's not going to go through the door. There we go. No, that's plenty. And that'd be in there just that much. So, there we go. That's got it. And it's not come through. Just check. Oh, one is the highest one. That's that one. Oh, I see why it has to go in. Why you have to drill it, because there's a bit of plastic there. That's it, lovely. There we are. It looks okay to me. And we can level them up by turning the feet to level the door. Okay, and then we just check everything's level. A little bit at the back, which is this one in the middle, to level up the back. There we go. And then, there we go. And that's level. Then put the fix the holders in, or whatever they're called. That's what stops the machine from moving the gate. There we go. That's it. And then the plinth can go on. Then the plinth, now you might have to, as I have to in my case, you might have to recess the plinth just that little bit. Right, almost like, there we go. This in and make sure it's the right way up. That's at the end. There we go. Ready to go. So instructions. There, job done.